welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope that you'll enjoy your first video session with me. Today I'd like to go through some bags that I got in. I bought this last month and I bought this one multicolored 2 months ago. Multicolored Courtney bags. So I want to run through like the features of these sort of bags. Like these are all pre-loved. Have a Speedy multi, this gorgeous Speedy multi bag. So I will run through the features of these 3 bags today. So stay tuned for more. Hope you enjoy the session with me. These bags are basically part of my own collection now because I don't even use them. It's just a collection, that's all. It's just something that I'm doing just as a hobby for myself. And hopefully one day I will be able to pass it on to my nieces or my sons wives in the future if they want it. I'm not too sure. I'll give it to my mother. But I hardly even use these. I don't even use these, but I just love them because they're so pretty. Like, they're just pretty. I've had a lot of these, and because I resell a lot, so I keep reselling them, and every time I sell them, I see it again somewhere else, and I just really want it in my closet because it's so pretty. And maybe one day I'll have the guts to wear them out. But yeah, so basically this still has the price tag on it. Let me take it off. So if you don't know much about the Murakami collection, I did a video on the Speedy Murakami Speedy multi collection. So if you don't know videos that I've done on the multicolored collections, about the history, the year of manufacture, that sort of thing, I'll run you through in this video everything once again, and so you can see. So we will go through the first bag, this one. You can see the interior. There's 2 pockets and very nice patina. And you see like the cone, gold hardware, cone shaped gold hardware on this bag. The bottom looks like this. I mean, you've seen it. It has 4 cone gold hardware on the bottom. There's 2 right here, big ones on the top, and there's like 2 little ones. And then you see the handle strap has the Louis Vuitton logo stamp, gold stamp on it. Look, this is beautiful. The zipper handle also has, and this is basically the length of it. It comes with a strap, and it has that gold plated, like it's gold plated. And what I honestly love about these bags is these patterns. The patterns, like the metal, sharp metal, are just so beautiful. And the stitching So for some reason, this must have been like a bigger. It feels the same, heavy and stuff. And so you see how it has one gold cone just where the handles are at, and then you see where it has it on the zipper handle. So this one is slightly bigger than this. Put this wallet in here. Put this wallet in here. So it's slightly bigger than the black MM size, I guess, which basically has all the same features as I just showed you earlier. Two little cones. Handles has this. That. You can see that. At the bottom, it has these two here. 1, 2. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 layers of 3 sets of these cones. Over there. And you can take a good look before you purchase. So the interior is so much more different than, you see how it's colored a bit kind of like not red but gray. It has the same like pockets and everything, but it's gray. Okay, very beautiful bag. Very, very beautiful bag. Because they're pre-loved, you could see that they have a little bit of like wear and tear on them. There's like you can see the opening. It's brown, pocket opening, kind of like grayish, and you see the stamp on there. Now let's move on to this Speedy, this gorgeous Speedy 30. Gorgeous Speedy 30 like comes with the keys, and there should be like a Louis Vuitton, made in France, LV. This is where the lock is. The hardware has like 4 gold metal stuff on the bottom, and you have 1, 2, 3 these little bulges down here. The stitching, you gotta pay attention to the stitching. So if you're not sure if your bag is authentic or not, all you have to do is pay for an authenticator. I use pro authenticators for all my work, all my handbags, and they're quite affordable. And that's it. It's pretty good, isn't it? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to post more videos for you. Okay?